got a very old axe, an axe sheath here. My dad built this axe sheath some 50 years ago, and it's still very usable and in good shape. It's just darkened from age. And I had a order for a axe sheath or a axe cover that would fit on a belt, and I realized I had the perfect pattern right here, and all I needed to do was just make a pattern on this style for a larger axe. So I've spent just a little bit of time and used some brown heavy paper to make a set of patterns. The gusset, the top piece, and I've got a belt loop here also. I made the belt loop, and then this is the fold over part. I've got it marked where the gusset goes. So if you would like to see further instructions on how to make a leather axe sheath like this, just let me know and I'll put together a video for you. An axe sheath like this will last from now on if it's taken care of and oiled every now and then.